The Pope has named Anthony Fisher as the new Archbishop of Sydney.
I would rather you were dead than a bishop.
The Sydney Catholic Archbishop has written a powerful
The Dominicans are the
piece
order of preachers, and they gave me a great formation.
54-year-old Dominican friar will take over the
I
post.
don't live in a Dominican community anymore. I don't get to live the full life of a Dominican.
He's one of the Australian delegates here at the Synod on...
I think bioethics is at the intersection of a lot of
One of
different
46
issues.
metropolitan bishops who received the pallium garment.
Why ruin your reputation and that of the order by letting yourself be taken away from poverty and preaching?
You pray about it. You discern in your heart. You receive the sacraments. You read the Word of God. And then you decide.
It just takes a group of people strong in their convictions and strong with what they believe to be right and true.
People power is in the power of each one of you, one way or another, making your voice heard.
Well, the church may play hardball if religious freedoms are stripped away by...
We need a system that presumes innocence and requires proof before you ruin someone's name or punish them.
It's with deep sadness that I can confirm His Eminence George Cardinal Pell passed away in Rome.
Have we seen an erosion in Christian values?
He's warned that the role of religion in Australia is under attack.
Deep in my Dominican heart is a desire for everyone to know the truth, even if that's challenging.
Sydney's most senior Catholic, the Archbishop of Sydney, Anthony Fisher, well, he's been outspoken.
The motto of the Dominicans is Veritas, truth. It's not about spin, it's not about popularity, but it's the truth that matters.
My hope is for a church in which the gospel is preached with joy, the wisdom of our tradition mined with fidelity, the sacraments celebrated with dignity and welcome, and the seminaries, convents and youth groups teeming with new life. A church in which our parishes, chaplaincies and educational institutions are true centres of the new evangelisation. Our laity theologically literate and spiritually well-formed. Our outreach to the needy, effective and growing. And God glorified above all.
And I have loved being a priest. It's the best life, to be so close to God and close to people and bring people and God closer to each other is such a privilege. And so every day I give thanks for the gift of the priesthood.